Part 2 of the Mnnthbx fender eliminator. We're going to put the blinkers in, the turn signals. So we're just going to put the wires through the holes. I put some heat shrink on the wires so it's a little stronger. Put the lock washer. Nut. I'll try and put this on with my finger. Use a wrench here. It's kind of hard. Let's see if I can just barely turn the signal in and turn it on there so I can get it started. Alright, I'm going to pause it and come back. Alright, I think we got it. So I'm going to put the wrench on the nut and then turn it so the nut is tightening. So I'm going to turn the turn signal clockwise. Then take the wrench off. Turn the turn signal counterclockwise. And put the wrench back on clockwise. Then I'll just get it tight so it's snug. I'll put both of them on. Just taking the wrench off, turn it, put the wrench back on, turn it. So we don't get the wires all twisted up. The lock washer's getting tight. So it's going to go on as a light like that. So we're going to need the turn signal pointing up like that. That looks pretty cool. Alright, let's get the other one on. So in part 1 we got some extra wire connectors with the KTM ones on the ends and put the posi locks. So we're going to connect these wires to the posi locks on this end, and then we'll just plug it straight into the bike once we get this on. Alright, let's put this other turn signal on. washer. Feels like this one's going on easy. It's tightening. Alright, good snug. We'll mess with that later. That looks pretty cool. Alright, in part 3, we're going to put it on. We're going to mock it up, put the bolts in, and then get the turn signals in the right place. And then we'll connect the wires, test it out. Alright, that's part 2.